Here I have ALCATEL 3X 2020, and today I'm going to show you how to add fingerprint on this device. So firstly, you have to open settings, then go to the security section, fingerprint sensor, manage fingerprints. Then you tap next, and then you have to select the backup lock screen method. It could be pattern, pin, password. Select pin, enter your pin, next confirm it. Next you have to select if you want to see notifications on the lock screen. I don't want to see any notifications. And what you have to do next is to tap finger sensor with your finger several times, like this. And that's it, fingerprint aided. And now, for example, you can unlock your device using your fingerprint. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.